This all-new 2023 Ford Bronco is an off-road beast. The Ford Bronco SUV will have a hybrid version, according to Ford CEO Jim Hackett, who mentioned it when he spoke about going green for the upcoming model year. He did not, however, make clear what kind of hybrid he meant. A basic full hybrid that is not a plug-in hybrid, or a more sophisticated plug-in hybrid, or PHEV. It might be a replacement like the 2023 Ford Bronco Hybrid, according to our research. So, is the 2023 Ford Bronco worth buying? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to EV Zone, where we tell you the latest and trending news about electric vehicles. So stay tuned till the end of the video so you don't miss out on any information. And before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our amazing videos in the future. The model just made its debut without a hybrid version, but now details about its future have surfaced on the creative social networking site Behance. There, many digital dashboard and center display setups are displayed. An electric automobile coach, also known as an electric car coach or electric car coach school, is one of the potential virtual technologies. Variant of the PHEV that enables plug-in charging. A similar approach might be employed for the Bronco since the recently unveiled Ford F-150 pickup is a complete hybrid vehicle. No plug-in charging, but EV coaching is still inefficient if you have to start an internal combustion engine to get by. As a result, it's more likely that the Bronco will come as a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle model. A PHEV hybrid powertrain for the forthcoming Ford Ranger pickup is another insider tip that suggests such a powertrain setup, and the latter's not yet available. Power and engine details. A 2.3 gasoline turbo 4-cylinder serves as its foundation. The new Bronco, a model related to the Ranger, already has a 2.3 EcoBoost engine, although it is conventional at the moment and does not provide hybrid help. It should be mentioned that the Ford Bronco Sport crossover, the Bronco's younger sibling, might also be available in a plug-in variant. Here, there is no conspiracy. The Ford Escape and Ford Cougar, which have dual engines, and the Bronco Sport really share a basis. As a result, the Sport's propelled by 225 horsepower, 2.5 Atkinson cycle gasoline electric engine, a traction motor, and a 14.4 kilowatt-hour battery that can travel up to 60 kilometers on a single charge before needing to be charged again. The larger Bronco Hybrid will compete with the soon-to-be-released Jeep Wrangler PHEV SUV, while the Bronco Sport PHEV is likely to mainly compete with the fully charged Jeep Renegade 4xe crossover. Why Ford's Bronco's unique? The Ford Bronco's comeback has been a pure nostalgic drama. Although it telegraphs the original and looks beautiful doing it, it also is a true off-road beast, and this is key. Ford would be crazy not to embrace it, though, with all the iconic mid-century style and colors that make up its legacy. And that's where the heritage and limited editions of the 2023 Ford Bronco come in. The heritage packages, which are available for the Bronco and Bronco Sport, are a combination of vintage hues, external modifications, interior details, and upholstery, combined with carefully chosen factory hardware. Additionally, the Bronco Heritage Limited series gives a more special spin on the design and will only be produced in a limited number of 1966 models as a nod to the original 1966 Bronco that serves as an inspiration. The Big Bend trim level is used to construct the Bronco Heritage Edition models, which also come with the enticing Sasquatch package. There are 5 different two-tone paint options available: black, race red, cactus gray, carbonized gray, and azure gray. No matter what color the body is, the Oxford white highlights, especially the distinctive modular hardtop roof, are unforgettable. Oxford white continues onto the grille, which is highlighted by race red Ford lettering. The front bumpers made of powder-coated steel and come standard with integrated fog lamps and built-in recovery points. Cast aluminum 17-inch steely-look wheels are somewhat redundant, but yet make sense given the retro-inspired goal of the vehicle. The technique is completed with a body side stripe, this time in Oxford white. Interior features include an Oxford white instrument panel, the heritage front and rear floor liners, the center console badging, and plaid fabric seats that are so wonderful they should be included in the normal options list. The high-performance off-road stability suspension, also known as Haas, 2.0 system with long travel Bilstein dampers and elevated ride height, common 35-inch Goodyear mud terrain tires, and Dana Frost and rear electronic locking axles with a 4:7:1 final drive ratio are all features of the Big Bend trim upon which it is based. Big tires and a track that is approximately 2 inches wider than a typical Bronco are hidden by Sasquatch width fender flares. The Bronco standard 2.3 EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine, which produces 300 horsepower, is mated to either a 7-speed manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic to power the Heritage Edition. More on the Bronco Heritage Limited Edition. A not-so-subtle tribute to the '66 Bronco that started it all, the Bronco Heritage Limited Edition is only available as a 4-door and is limited to 1,966 copies. It debuts only in Robin's Egg Blue, a color created to honor the Arcadian blue paint found on the original 1966 Bronco. Peak Blue scheduled for the 2024 model year, while Yellowstone Metallic, based on the 1971 Ford Color Prairie Yellow, is scheduled for late 2023 model year availability. The interior features include the required Heritage Limited console badging, as well as plaid seats with white and red accent stitching and leather trim and vinyl inserts. Although the Heritage Limited has a similar overall style to the standard Heritage, its logo has been significantly improved with a true Bronco script insignia on its flanks. With the 17-inch iconic dog dish design coated in gloss black and encircled in Oxford white, the wheels also receive special treatment. The Heritage Limited Edition versions receive the bigger 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 engine with up to 330 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission in addition to the Badlands standard kit. Bronco Sport Heritage Edition and Heritage Limited. It's important that Bronco Sport didn't exist during the Bronco Salad days. It's still a respectable car, and as we've seen firsthand, it's pretty capable. Just don't expect the Sasquatch package's full-size Brothers Stilted ground clearance. 7 paint colors including Alto Blue, Atlas Blue, Cactus Gray, Carbonized Gray, Hot Pepper Red, Robin's Egg Blue, and Shadow Black, along with the recognizable Oxford White roof, grille, 17-inch wheels, and body stripe make up the two-tone paint motif for the Bronco Sport Heritage. The 2023 Heritage Edition, which is also built on the Big Bend trims, powered by an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine with 181 horsepower and 190 pound-feet of torque. The 5 GOAT drive modes offered by the terrain management system are Normal, Eco, Sport, Slippery, and Sand. Increased ride height, stronger dampers all around, special spring tuning, and anti-roll bars are all features of the Big Bend standard. Seats with leather trim, Oxford white door inserts, and distinctive center console badging are among the interior features. The 2023 Bronco Sport Heritage Limited Edition will only be produced in 1,966 units, much like the large Bronco. Price and release date for the limited edition Bronco Heritage models. Priced at $45,900 for the base 2023 Heritage and $68,490 for the Heritage Limited. Both prices include a $1,595 destination charge. Later this year, the 2- and 4-door Bronco models will go on sale, and initial orders are given priority for those who have already placed a Bronco order and are waiting for their car. That's going to do it for today's episode. We sincerely hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please click on the like button and make sure you share it with your friends and family and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more great videos. Thanks for watching.